wealth has no permanence, it comes in the morning, and at night it is scattered to the winds. Physical beauty has no importance, for a rosy face is made pale by the scratch of a single thorn. Noble birth also is of small account, for many become fools of money and horses. Many a nobleman's son has disgraced his father by his wicked deeds. Don't court a person full of talent either, even if he seems exquisite in that respect. Take warning from the example of Iblis I. Iblis had knowledge, but since his love was not pure, he saw in Adam nothing but a figure of clay.